Good morning everyone. Our topic for today is patterns of electron flow through light reaction events. So, let's get started. Ang light-dependent light-dependent processes change the light energy into chemical energy. So, kaning mga light-dependent processes, ilan i-change ilan usbon ang light energy. Ilan usbon para mahimo siya nga chemical energy. The purpose of the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis is to absorb solar energy and break down water molecules to make ATP and NADPH. So, ang purpose ani nga light-dependent reactions kay mag-absorb ni siya og solar energy, mao na tong light energy, and i-break down niya ang mga water molecules para makahimo og ATP and NADPH. Kanang ATP ang NADPH mao na siya ang kanang chemical energy. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. So, kani daw ang photosynthesis, mugamit ni siya og sunlight, water, og carbon dioxide para makakreate siya og oxygen og energy in the form of sugar. So, kaybaw naman ta ang photosynthesis. Ari naman ta sa two major stages of photosynthesis. So, ang first kay light-dependent reactions. Mao ni siya ang first stage of photosynthesis process. Mugamit ni siya og light para mag-take place ang reaction. So, kung walay light, walay reaction nga mag-take place. Makuano siya sa thylakoid membrane. Unya, i-explain ko na kung asa ang thylakoid. Next, kaning light-independent reactions or Calvin cycle. Mao ni siya ang second stage of photosynthesis. Dili ni siya mogamit og light, dili pareha atong light-dependent reaction. So, based on the name, light-independent, dili siya mogamit og light. Nga katong light-dependent, mogamit siya og light. Kani siya, mag-take place ni siya sa stroma. Ang stroma naala na sa chloroplast. Unya, ang thylakoid naa na siya sa sod sa stroma. Mag-float ra to siya dito kay ang stroma, kuan man na siya, like fluid filled man na siya. Next, mo ni ang photosynthesis table. Mo ni ang duha ka stages. Unya, kung unsay mga i-add nga mga chemicals or molecules or unsa pa na diha. Ang first stage kay light-dependent reactions. Ang input ani niya kana light og H2O, light og water. Unya, ang output niya ni ATP, NADPH og oxygen. So, mo na ang ATP and NADPH mo na ang katong mga chemical kuan parehaan ni sa kana chemical energy. Mo na siyang chemical energy kanang NADPH og ATP. Unya, kani sa second stage, light-independent reactions or Calvin cycle, ang input ani niya kay ATP, NADPH ug carbon dioxide. Unya, ang result ani nilang tulo kay sugar. So, ang imong nahimo nga kuan diha nga ATP ug NADPH, i-add ni silang tulo niya mahimo siya sugar. Kani thylakoid. Thylakoid, it is a sheet-like membrane-bound structure wherein light-dependent photosynthesis reactions in chloroplasts occur. So, diri ni mag-take place ang katong light-dependent photosynthesis reaction, katong first stage. Ang thylakoid, sheet-like membrane ni siya. So, like, kung ano na siya, like, dili siya baga. Like, mura siya membrane. Nya mag-float ra ni siya sa kanang kuan stroma katong pareha ato ganiha nga dimension nako.
Light-dependent reactions, also known as the light reactions of photosynthesis, are the first stage of photosynthesis that occur in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. These reactions require light to proceed and produce energy-rich molecules, which are used in the second stage of photosynthesis, the light-independent reaction or Calvin cycle. So, ang kaning light-dependent reaction di ay mao na siya ang first step plants use to turn sunlight into energy. Yang kaning energy kay ma-help na siya to make their food. And also, kani siya nga tanan nga process kay mahitabo na siya sa chloroplast. Light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, are the second stage of photosynthesis. These reactions do not require light and occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. And during this process, carbon dioxide is combined with energy from ATP and NADPH, produced in the light-dependent reaction to create glucose, which plants uses for energy and growth. So, ang kaning light-dependent reaction di ay kay mo siya ang second step sa photosynthesis. Nya mahitabo rin siya sa stroma of the chloroplast. Nya, what is stroma di ay? Stroma kay mo na siya ang like watery and jelly-like space inside a plant's chloroplast where important works happen. So back to the topic sa light-independent reaction. These reactions don't need sunlight to work. Instead, ang ilang gamiton kay carbon dioxide from the air and energy molecules that was made during the light-dependent reaction para mag-create o glucose. Nya, glucose mo na siya katong type of sugar that plants use as food to grow and stay strong. What does thylakoid contain? In most photosynthetic organisms, thylakoids contain pairs of photosystem called photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 that work in tandem to produce energy that will later be used in the stroma. Which means, ang kanang thylakoid ay kiman siya katong small structure inside sa plant cell that help with photosynthesis. They contain pairs nga gitawag silang photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Mag-work na sila together para mag-capture sunlight niya i-turn nila into energy. Nya kani siya nga energy kay gamito na siya sa cell called the stroma para maghimo og food for the plant. What is a photosystem? Photosystem consists of a network of accessory pigment molecules and chlorophyll, the molecules that absorb the photons of light. The key pigment of both photosystem 1 and 2 are chlorophyll A. Photosystem di ay part siya sa plant cell nga mag-help to capture sunlight for photosynthesis. It is made of a group of pigments including chlorophyll and other helper pigments nga mag-work together to absorb light energy. Ang main pigment kay of both photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 is called chlorophyll A. So, what is chlorophyll A di ay? Chlorophyll A, mo na siya ang katong special green pigment found in plants, algae, and other bacteria. It is the main pigment kay gigamit sa photosynthesis. And chlorophyll A absorbs light energy from the sun, especially ang kanang red and blue light, na i-convert niya into chemical energy na gigamit sa plant para mag-grow and survive. Mura siya solar panel nga i-capture niya ang sunlight na i-turn into energy. Nga, photosystem 1, location found in the non-oppressed or unstuck parts of granathylakoids. Light absorption, it absorbs light at wavelengths longer than 680 nanometers than core pigment known as P700, which is a reaction center specialized in capturing light efficiently. So, sa location niya, ma-found siya sa unstuck areas of thylakoids. Kanya siya nga area kay dili siya stuck pareha sa other parts sa thylakoid membrane niya. Sa light absorption, since it absorbs wavelength longer than 680 nanometers, meaning it captures light from the red part of the light spectrum. Sa core pigment niya kay called P700, which is the reaction center na mag-absorb light niya ay helped ito turn into energy. It is specially designed to capture light energy efficiently para start ang process of making energy para sa plant. In simple terms pa, PS1 helps the plant use sunlight by absorbing red light and turning it into energy. Nya tungod na sa P700 nga pigment.
Photosystem 2 is located in the surface of granathyloid membrane, can absorb light with 680 nanometer and lower wavelength, present as P680. So ang photosynthesis 2 kuno kay located sa surface sa thylakoid and maka-absorb siya og light with 680 nanometer. The difference between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 is photosystem 1 absorbs light at longer wavelength around 700 nanometers and photosystem 2 absorbs light at shorter wavelength around 680 nanometer. In the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis, light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll in photosystem 2, exciting electrons to a higher energy level. These electrons are replaced by splitting water molecules which release oxygen as byproduct. The excite electrons move through an electron transfer change where their energy helps pump protons into thylakoid space, creating a proton gradient. This gradient powers ATP synthase, an enzyme that generates ATP. The electrons eventually reach photosystem 1, where they are gain additional energy from light and are used to form NADPH. Both ATP and NADPH are then used in the Calvin cycle to produce glucose. Ang light-dependent reaction sa photosynthesis, ang ETC ay nagsisimula sa mga pigmentong tulad ng chlorophyll na nasa thylakoid membrane ng chloroplast. Ang mga pigmentong ito ay nag-absorb ng liwanag or photons at ginagamit ang enerhiyang ito upang siyasatin ang mga molecule ng tulad ng H2O na nagre-result sa pagkahiwalay ng oxygen. Photosynthetic electron pathway, flow of electrons during the light reaction stage of photosynthesis. Arrows pointing upward represent light reaction that increase the chemical potential, and arrows slanting downward represent the flow of electrons via carriers in the membrane. So overall, ang electron pathway sa light-dependent reaction kay importante para maka-generate og ATP and NADPH. Kay kaning duha kailangan sa next procedure which is the light-independent reaction. So a short review of our lesson for today is photosystem, multi-step process that requires sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water as a substrate. Thylakoid, where the light-dependent reactors occur. Photon, smallest unit of light. Photosystem consists of a network of accessories pigment molecules and chlorophyll. Photosystem 1 represent as P700. Photosystem 2 represent as P680.